I do.
Barry gets so nervous looking at
Just
Morse
focus
code.
on the Morse code. If once you see the break in the Morse code, like a really long break, just focus on the Morse code.
So I want to practice writing it down when I see it.
Yeah.
Alright, what number am I doing?
The final one.
3.7?
Yeah.
8 minutes?
Yeah. 8 modules.
Oh, okay. 8 minutes, 8 modules. Oh, that's a fun to watch one. Okay. Alright, let's do it. I want to need a lot of paper for this one. Because I'm a little bitch.
We're going to die. Oh wait, Barry's going to die.
I want to get this done. I'll get back to playing Skyrim. I mean, studying.
Oh, Dover King.
Alright, Sam. Cables, you ready?
Cables.
Yeah, I'll write them in order. There's 6 cables. White, 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 blue, red, white.
White, blue, red, white. Okay, you can.
And the last serial number is 0 if you need it.
0. Alright.
Okay, oh, what's on the bottom? Okay, Johnny, let's do some Simon Says.
Okay. Is that a vowel?
What the fuck? Green.
Is that a vowel and a serial number?
Oh, okay. When do you need a vowel for your serial number? There is no vowel.
Okay, there's no vowel. Okay, what's the color again?
Green.
Cut the fourth wire.
Green.
Okay, hang on. 4 file. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yep, done. Okay, Sam, I want to go back to you. Okay, the symbols. Paragraph sign.
Paragraph sign.
Or like.
Oh yeah, I know.
Yeah, number 6.
Yep.
A double K.
Yep.
Upside down question mark.
Okay.
Alright, Johnny. It was a green.
Yeah.
What did I press?
Green.
Oh, okay, yep. Green, red.
Green, blue.
Yep.
I'm ready.
Green, red, blue.
Green, blue, yellow.
Green, blue, yellow. Yep. Green, red, blue, blue.
Green, blue, yellow, yellow.
Okay, done. Alright, Sam, the Morse code?
Okay. Morse code.
Oh, sorry, the bottom. Symbol.
Okay, 6.
Yep.
The paragraph symbol.
Yep.
Backwards K, and then question mark.
Okay, cool. Okay. The lights are out. Okay, Johnny. I got the password.
Password? Okay.
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 I'll do the
first letters.
first column. B, K,
B,
K, V for Victor, J, W,
J,
M,
W,
B.
M,
B for Barry.
B. Okay,
And
go
K.
for the next one.
T, C,
T, C,
M,
M,
Z,
Z,
N,
Very subtle, Johnny.
N,
E.
E.
Okay.
Okay, go for below.
Below. Hang on, I need to fucking turn off the fucking alarm. Shut the fuck up. Okay.
Wait.
Below, yeah?
Yeah, below.
Sam, sorry. Sam, I got a white press button.
Alright, yeah, you can go to Johnny now.
Okay, hang on, I'm just gonna write them below. Got a right
White
press button, and Sam, you can do Dragon Ball.
Okay. Okay, but Johnny did the other one then.
Okay, Johnny, the press, your white press.
What?
White
No, I'm doing
press
the white
button.
press. I'm doing the white press. I'm reading it now.
Oh, okay. Johnny, you wanna do Dragon Ball?
Okay.
Okay, Dragon Ball, the circles are 5th column, 2nd row.
Wait, I lost the. Okay, yeah, 5th column, 2nd row. Okay,
And-
yeah. Is the other one second row, 2nd column, 4th row?
4th row, yeah, that's correct.
Okay, where is the red?
The red is on the right of the. Okay, the red is on the last column, 2nd row.
Last column, 2nd row. Okay, where is the white?
The white is 2nd column, 5th row.
5th row. Okay, go down one.
Yep.
Turn right one.
Yep.
Go up 2.
Yep.
Go right 1.
Yep.
Go up 1.
Yeah.
Go all the way right.
Yes.
Go up.
Yes. Okay, cool. Sam, the buttons?
Press the button, but tell me what color.
Blue.
Release it when it's on 4. Any position.
Okay. Okay. 5, 4. Okay, done. Alright, Johnny, this is the complicated cables.
What's
the
my
1, 2, 3.
No, the complicated, the one with the star and LEDs.
And what's my
Oh,
one?
okay.
And Sam, yeah, last one's Morse code. Let me do Morse code first then.
Okay. Let's focus on that.
Okay, I'll start writing it down. Dash, dot, dash, dot, 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 dash, dash, dash. Nope, was that a dot? Okay, from what I got so far is dash dot,
Dash,
Gap.
oh, yep.
dash dot dot dot,
Yep.
gap, and dot dot dot.
Okay, go Johnny.
Okay, Johnny, complicated cables. What do you want to know?
And what's the first wire?
The first
What's
wire,
that?
it's striped, it's LED, and it's a star.
LED and stars. So what's the color?
It's blue and red.
Blue and red.
Blue and red.
Okay.
And yeah, it's
Blue
striped,
and red.
blue and red.
You're gonna have to redo it in Morse code. Doesn't make sense.
Okay.
Okay. D. Okay. Do not cut that wire. If it's all those colors, do not cut that wire.
Okay. The next one, the LED is off. It's a red wire,
LED's off. Red
and it's a star.
and a star. Okay. Go back to Sam if you need to.
Okay, let me try to reread the
star.
Morse
Yeah.
code.
Wait for the break and then redo it. Oh,
Red. Star.
come out, man.
Dash, dot, dot, dot,
B.
dash, dash, dot, dash, dash, oh the dot. Alright, you got that? It was,
Oh, you talking to me?
yeah. It
What
was
is it?
dash, dot, dot, dot,
Mm-hmm.
dash, yeah, gap, dash, dash, dot,
Yep.
and dash, dash, and something. I might have missed it.
Okay, don't worry.
Okay. Does the bomb have 2 or more batteries?
It's got one big one on top and the bottom. There's two, yeah. Oh, three.
So it's 2. Okay. 3.
Three
So
bottom.
cut the second wire.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, good. The next one, number 3.
Yeah. Next wire.
LED is on. It's a
That doesn't
white
make
cable
sense.
and it's a star.
What? Wait, what you said? LED star. What was the other one?
LED, white cable, and star.
Okay, that's a B. So cut that wire as well.
Okay.
What's
Last
that?
54. Last one, LED,
LED.
red and white cable,
Red. Okay.
and white,
Doesn't
and
matter about the white.
and star.
Star. Okay. Go back to Sam if you need to.
You have to redo the Morse code. Doesn't make sense.
Okay, fuck man.
You gave me B and G. Like they don't make a word.
Okay. Let me see. Dash, dot, 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 dash, dot, dash, 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 dash. Okay. Okay, again. Dash, dot, dot, dot,
Uh-huh.
gap, dash,
Yeah.
dash, dash,
Dash, dash, so 3 dashes.
gap, and dash, dash, 2 dashes.
Dash, dash.
Okay, cut that wire.
Yep,
Yeah.
okay. Sam, 4 seconds, go.
And
Oh, I'm dead.
Goodbye.
no, none of them.
Ah,
Still nothing.
that's so hard.
Oh, B-O.
God damn.
Oh, it might have been boxes. 3.55.
You have to guess. You have to guess. You
Yeah.
have to guess.
Yeah.
In that,